Welcome to our channel Forex ebook store. Let's trade stronger together with us. Megaphone, bar chart, gold market update as the price is expected to experience a waterfall movement. Chart with downwards trend, money bag. Our short-term gold trading strategy focuses mainly on pullback trades with secondary rebound shorts. The key resistance level to watch is 2,940, 2,942, where selling pressure is expected to build. On the downside, the important support zone is between 2,906, 2,910, which could provide a buying opportunity. Risk management is crucial. Always control your position size and use strict stop-loss levels. Do not engage in risky trades or hold losing positions beyond the stop-loss level. Crossmark, chart with downwards trend. The trading strategy is based on intraday price movements, so stay updated with real-time market conditions. Short 20% of your gold position in batches when the price rebounds to 2,940, 2,942. Set a stop loss of 6 points to protect against excessive losses. The first target for this short trade is 2,930, 2,920. If the price breaks below 2,920, the next target is 2,910. Go long with 20% of your gold position in batches when gold retraces to 2,908, 2,910. Set a 6-point stop loss to manage risk effectively. The first target for this long trade is 2,920, 2,930. If the price breaks above 2,930, the next level to watch is 2,940. Traders must follow the rhythm of the market and stick to predefined levels. Proper risk control is essential. Always have a clear exit strategy. Please like, subscribe and press the bell icon.